Create a new file that's 1000 by 1000 pixels. Make the background white. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 columns and 2 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the rectangle tool. Select Shape. Make the fill color black. And select No Color for the stroke. Create a shape. Create a square that's 850 by 850 pixels. Press Ctrl+T. Place the square in the center of the canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the rectangle layer. Make the fill color white. Adjust the width to 20 pixels. Press Ctrl+T. Place the rectangle in the vertical center of the canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the rectangle layer again. Go to Edit. Transform Path. Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. This rectangle should be in the horizontal center of the canvas. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. You can now delete all the rectangle layers. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. Adjust the angle to 45 degrees. Then adjust the scale. Create a gradient map layer. Adjust the colors of the gradient to change the colors of the pattern. And that's how you create this pattern.